Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
I had one other thing, Judge.
Yes.
I'd ask the court to consider awarding the diligent participation credit.
Oh, if he completes something, then I'll consider it.
Thank you.
I'm 42, I'll be 43. You know, I understand that I've been at this point, at my age, that I've been a criminal. But or at this time, oh man, I was dealing with something with my mother. She's an addict. She needs help, and she's here today.
She's an adult. You're an adult. And there's only one or two things that's going to end up happening to you. This whole situation, when I read the police reports, you could have easily been shot. Because the officer is saying you won't show your hands, you jump off a bicycle, then take off running, then hopping over fences, then going down dark alleyways, then not showing your hands when you're on the ground. And that officer is saying he had to have somebody cover him with lethal coverage. And you know what lethal coverage means? That means there's somebody with a gun trained on you because they don't know if you have a gun or what's going to happen. Everybody at the end of the day, they're just trying to do their job and make it home safely. And if you don't stop using drugs, what's going to end up happening to you is one or two things. Either you're going to spend the rest of your life at the Bexar County Jail, or somebody else's jail, or the rest of your life in prison. That's what's going to end up happening to you. Or either your body's going to be in some field somewhere in an alley. Like if you were running in the alley and you got some bad meth and the officer never found you, or the officer said, he was just on the bicycle running, I'm gonna let that slide. Somebody will have to identify your body. And that person is gonna be your mother or whoever else it may be. If you are being honest and you say, I'm on drugs, my mom is on drugs, I wanna get help for my mom, you can't help anybody until you help yourself. Listen to what the flight attendant is saying, even though my thing is, it's all in God's hand. If this plane falls, we're not over water, we're probably not going to survive, but I still listen. And you know what they say? They say, if you have a child with you, put on your mask, your oxygen mask first. Because you know why? If a parent can't breathe on a plane, they can't help their child.